read the story The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. Adventure means an exciting experience. The story goes on like this. Have you ever had a bad baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out where he is mischievous or docile. Docile means ready to accept or control action. Docile means ready to accept or control action. Grandfather, in the opening paragraph, the narrator tells us that how does Toto came to grandfather's private zoo. How does Toto came to come to grandfather's private zoo? Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. तो टोंगा ड्राइवर के पास जो है वो लिटिल मंकी रहता था, और जिस अंदाज में वहाँ से फीडिंग ट्रॉप के पास से वो देखता था, वो अंदाज बड़ा पसंद आया ग्रैंडफादर को, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही डिसाइडेड टू बाय द little monkey from the Tonga driver, and finally he bought the monkey from the Tonga driver in 5 rupees. So Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life of the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up, as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years, yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, father believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, and served as third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. So in the second paragraph, the narrator describes two things. First, he describes the appearance of Toto, and second one, he describes that how his tail was serving as a third hand. So he says that describing the appearance of Toto, narrator tells that Toto was a pretty monkey. His eyes sparkled, shone brightly with mischiefs. His eyebrows were deep set, and his teeth were pearly white. He often displayed his teeth that frightened the old aged ladies, elderly ladies, Anglo-Indian ladies, and his hands looked dried up, his fingers were quick and weak, and his tail, as grandfather used to believe that tail would add to anyone's good look, so his tail used to serve as third hand. How? Because he could use it to hang from a branch to another branch, and it was capable of scooping up. Scooping up means lift quickly any delicacy that might be out of the reach of his hands. Now next paragraph, grandfather always feast when grandfather bought some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. Now in the third paragraph, narrator describes that how did Toto behave when it was put into closet, and why grandmother was angry with. Grandmother always fuse means showed annoyance. जब कोई नया जानवर घर में आता था तो grandmother annoyance दिखाती थी, or that's why it was decided that Toto's presence would keep a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. तो क्वेश्चन है, why it was decided that Toto's presence in the house would be kept as a secret. Grandfather and I, the narrator, put him away in a little closet. Closet means a cupboard, एक अलमारी में रख दिया उसको. Into the bedroom wall of the narrator, and they tied Toto securely there, or they thought to a peg fastened into the wall. Peg means वो खूंटा, उसको फास्टन कर देते थे, वहाँ कर दिया जाए वॉल में और उसी में उसको बांध दिया जाए. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, तो आपने थर्ड पैराग्राफ में देखा कि उसको बेडरूम के नरेटर के बेडरूम के दीवार में पेग लगा करके फास्टन करके उसमें उसको बांध दिया गया टोटो को. अब थोड़ी देर बाद वो लोग जब देखने के लिए आए कि क्या हुआ है आखिर, तो फिर व्हाट डिड दे फाइंड, इट हैज बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls of my bedroom, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So all the plaster was off there and bricks were visible. The peg in the wall had been wrenched. Wrenched means the peg they have made in the wall, that was wrenched, pulled out from its socket, and my socket means hole to fit in socket, and my school blazer which had been hanging there, the narrator's school blazer was also hanging in his bedroom wall, so was in shreds. Shreds means उसको धागों में वो फाड़ दिया था, बिल्कुल अलग अलग कर दिया था. Shred, torn pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say. नरेटर को आश्चर्य हुआ कि दादी अभी जब देखेंगी तो क्या कहेंगी, बिकॉज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ टोटो वॉज केप्ट सीक्रेट फ्रॉम ग्रैंड मदर, बट ग्रैंड फादर डिडंट वरी. कोई उनको चिंता नहीं हुई. ही seemed pleased with टोटोज प्रेजेंस, टोटो के प्रेजेंस से बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे. नरेटर के कमरे में जो टोटो ने इतना सब बहुत सारा वो इधर उधर का सामान तोड़ दिया, वो प्लास्टर दीवार की उखाड़ दिया, उसका ब्लेजर फाड़ दिया, तो उसके बाद ग्रैंडफादर का क्या रिएक्शन था. ग्रैंडफादर, he said he is clever. Given time, I am sure he could have tried to turn pieces of your blazer into a rope. This was the reaction of the grandfather. Rather than being angry, he smiled and said that if Toto will be given time, he could have tied the torn pieces into a rope. जो तुम्हारे ब्लेजर को उसने टुकड़े टुकड़े में कर दिया है, उसको धागे धागे में अलग अलग कर दिया है, पीसेस में कर दिया है, अगर समय दिया जाए तो उसको ये रस्सी बना देगा. एंड escape from and made his escape from window, और उसी रस्सी के सहारे खिड़की से वो भाग जाएगा. Toto's presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Sociably means amicably, friendly. तो अब टोटो को जो है वहाँ से नरेटर के बेडरूम से निकाल करके और जहाँ पर और सारे एनिमल्स रहते थे वहाँ पे ले जाया गया. Name the animals grandfather kept as pets. Now in this paragraph we are going to know all about the animals that the grandfather used to keep as pets. So there was a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while narrator's pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Now in the last line, the narrator describes that in what circumstances the grandfather decide to take Toto to Saharanpur, because he was not comfortable with the companions. He didn't make them sleep at night. So grandfather decided to take him to Saharanpur with himself. The narrator was going to Saharanpur to collect his pension in Saharanpur. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. Accompany उनके साथ वो नरेटर सहारनपुर नहीं जा सकता था. But he told me about it afterwards. It means about the journey afterwards. बाद में a big black canvas. How describe the preparations that were made for. Now the narrator describes about the preparations. उसको सहारनपुर ले जाने के लिए टोटो को क्या क्या preparations किए गए, इसकी चर्चा अब narrator यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. A big black canvas seat bag was provided for Toto. This with some straw at the bottom. बड़ा कैनवास बैग बनाया गया है, बॉटम्स में कुछ स्ट्रॉ को डाल दिया गया, बिकॉज टोटो when the bag was closed, जब बैग बंद हो जाता था, there was no escape, वहाँ से कुछ बाहर निकलने का, भागने का कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं था. टोटो could not get his hands through the opening and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. इतना स्ट्रांग था कि उसको दांत से काट नहीं सकता था, हाथ से वो तो उसको फाड़ नहीं सकता था. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor. अगर उससे बाहर निकलने का वो प्रयास करता तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ केवल और केवल ये प्रभाव पड़ता बैग के ऊपर कि बैग जो है वो रोलिंग करता फ्लोर के ऊपर, और ओकेजनली जंप इनटू द एयर, या कभी जो है वो एयर में वो जंप कर सकता था बैग. और ऐसा अगर वो करता, an exhibition that attract a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Exhibition means public show that attract curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway station. और जब उसने ऐसा किया, जंप किया, बैग रोलिंग करने लगा, तो जो क्राउड देहरादून रेलवे स्टेशन पे थी वो एगरली उत्सुकता पूर्वक उसको देखने लगी. टोटो remained in the bag as far as सहारनपुर. सहारनपुर तक टोटो बैग में ही रहा. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of his bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Wide grin बहुत दांत दिखाना, चौड़ा भी मुंह खोल करके उसने टिकट कलेक्टर को दांत दिखाया. कब दिखाया? जब ग्रैंडफादर जो है वो रेलवे का टर्नस्टाइल पे अपना टिकट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे. जब देखा उसने मंकी को, टीटी ने, the poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much of grandfather's annoyance, he said, उन्होंने कहा, टीटी ने कहा, sir, you have a dog with you, you shall have to pay for it accordingly. In vain, बेकार में, grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey didn't qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Toto was quadruped means four-legged. Quadruped means four-legged. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of his bag. बेकार में ही ग्रैंडफादर ने टोटो को अपने बैग से बाहर निकाला, और बेकार में उन्होंने यह सिद्ध करने का प्रयास किया कि एक बंदर जो है कभी भी डॉग को क्वालिफाई नहीं करता, उसकी योग्यता नहीं रखता, और बेकार में ही उन्होंने, और इन वेन ए क्वाड्रप्ट मीन्स चौपाया जानवर. टोटो वॉज क्लासिफाइड ए डॉग बाई द टिकट कलेक्टर. टिकट कलेक्टर ने टोटो को कहा कि ये एक डॉग है. एंड 3 रुपीज वॉज द सम हैंडेड ओवर एज हिज फेयर, और 3 रुपये उसके फेयर के रूप में टीटी को देना पड़ा. किसको? ग्रैंडफादर को. देन ग्रैंडफादर जस्ट टू गेट हिज ओन बैग टूक हिज पॉकेट आवर पेट टॉर्टाइज एंड सेड. तब दादाजी थोड़ा सा एंग्री हो गए और उन्होंने अपने पॉकेट से टॉर्टाइज को निकाला और कहा कि सर, अगर मंकी के लिए फेयर लग सकता है तो इसका लिए क्या हमको दो, ये टॉर्टाइज के लिए हमको क्या फेयर देना पड़ेगा. व्हाट मस्ट आई पे फॉर दिस सिंस यू चार्ज फॉर ऑल एनिमल्स. द टिकट कलेक्टर लुक्ड क्लोजली एट द टॉर्टाइज, prodded means pushed it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant means rejoicing look, and said, no charge, it is not a dog. So we have discussed the question in this paragraph. Why did the onlookers get attracted to Toto on the Dehradun railway platform? I repeat the question. Why did the onlookers get attracted to Toto on the Dehradun railway platform? This is the question we just have discussed in this story. Now, we are going to discuss how did Toto behave with other animals. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. उसको स्टेबल में comfortable home मिल गया. Stable means cattle set, जहाँ पर मवेशियों को रखा जाता है. Where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. वहाँ पर उसका जो companion था वो narrator के family का donkey था, उसका नाम था नाना. नाना कौन है? नाना is important character here. नाना is donkey. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, visible, apparent means visible, pulling at her halter, halter means rope, lagam, and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Haunches means hind part of an animal with four legs. Haunches. And she jogged back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened on to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana become. This was a fight between Toto and Nana. Narrator for the tale. Toto and Nana never became friends. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. Now the question is important question. In this paragraph, the narrator describes three questions. How does Toto take a bath? Second question, where has he learned to do this? And third question, how does Toto almost boil himself alive? We are going to know the answer of these questions in the coming paragraphs, and this paragraphs too. Paragraph 2. A last treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the last bowl of warm water given by him by grandmother for his bath. विंटर्स में उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा ट्रीट होता था जब ग्रैंडमदर उसको वार्म वाटर देती थी बात करने के लिए. He would cunningly test the temperature. तो जब पानी उसको गर्म पानी मिलता था तो पहले क्या करता था, बड़े कनिंगली वो टेम्परेचर का पहले वाटर का टेम्परेचर टेस्ट करता था पहले हाथ से. Then gradually step into the bath. पहले 1 foot, then तब दूसरा foot, as he seen me doing, जैसा उसने नरेटर को करते हुए देखा था, वो तो कॉपी करता था. Until he was into the water up to his neck. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. When the water became cold, नहाता था, और उसके बाद when the water became cold, he would get out and ran quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. नहाने के बाद जब पानी ठंडा हो जाता था तो सीधे वहां से निकलता था, दौड़ करके किचन फायर के पास चला जाता था खुद को ड्राई करने के लिए. If anyone और in between, उसके इस एक्शंस के बीच में नहाता था, वो पहले 1 foot, फिर 1 hand, फिर वो नेक तक जाता था, जैसा कि वो नरेटर को स्नान करते हुए देखता था. उसके बाद जब वाटर ठंडा हो जाता था तो सीधे दौड़ करके किचन फायर के पास जाता था खुद को ड्राई अप करने के लिए. और इस पूरे प्रक्रिया के दौरान if anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. तो वो उसकी फीलिंग्स हर्ट हो जाती थी और वो बात करने के लिए रिफ्यूज कर देता था जाने से. वन डे टोटो नियरली सक्सेडेड इन बॉइलिंग हिमसेल्फ अलाइव. अब नरेटर कहते हैं कि एक दिन तो लगता था वो पानी में खुद को बॉयल कर देगा. कैसे हुआ ये? व्हेन कुड टोटोस फीलिंग्स बी हर्ट? वी हैव डिस्कस्ड राइट नाउ इन दिस पैराग्राफ. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नो हाउ डिड टोटो मेक हिमसेल्फ nearly boiled. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got inside the kettle. When his head sticking out from the open kettle, this was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. जब पानी खौलने लगा तो then Toto rested himself a little. Finding it cold outside, sat down again. He continued hopping up and hopping down for some time until grandmother arrived and hauled him half boiled out of the kettle. This was the incident. If there is a part of brain, hauled him means pulled him. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. I would repeat, If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, that part was largely devoted in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. क्या करता था? mischief का part अगर सबसे ज़्यादा कहीं था तो डेवलप था वो टोटो में, वो things को, और these are the points we are going to note down. He tore the things into pieces. ये loss था उस family के लिए जो finally unavailable हो गया. With the passage of text we are going to know some more mischiefs, actions of mischiefs by Toto, and that find these mischiefs compelled the family to say him off. So we are going to know, is there a part of the brain, if there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole into it. आंटी लोग आ जाती थी तो उनके ड्रेस में होल जरूर बनाता था, फाड़ देता था. One day at lunch time. Now in this paragraph the narrator is describing what did Toto do with the dish of पुलाव. पुलाव के डिश के साथ नरेटर ने, टोटो ने क्या किया, इसका वर्णन नरेटर अब इस पैराग्राफ में करने जा रहे हैं. One day at lunch time a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing means eating a lot, stuffing himself with rice. My grandmother screamed चीखना, and Toto threw a plate at her. दादी ने चीखा, देखा कि सारा पुलाव बैठ के खा रहा है, उसके ऊपर प्लेट फेंक दिया, उसने टोटो ने दादी के ऊपर प्लेट फेंक दिया. वन ऑफ माई aunts rushed forward. एक आंटी जो थी वो दौड़ करके उसकी तरफ गई, टोटो की तरफ गई, एंड रिसीव्ड ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इन द फेस. उनके ऊपर पानी, एक ग्लास पानी जो है वो फेंक दिया. When grandfather arrived, the grandfather आए, and Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. तो पुलाव का पूरा जो है वो लेकर के और वो खिड़की से बाहर भाग गया. He found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree. और दादाजी ने देखा कि वो जैकफ्रूट ट्री के ऊपर चला गया था. जैकफ्रूट, you all know, कटहल. The dish still in his arms, he remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. And then, in order to spite grandmother, he had screamed at him. He threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. उस जैकफ्रूट ट्री से फाइनली उसने डिश को फेंक दिया और सारा का सारा पीसेस टुकड़े में वो जो पॉट था वो हो गई. Obviously Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. नरेटर फाइनली कहते हैं कि वो उस तरह का जानवर नहीं था, उसको हम लोग लंबे समय तक रख सकते, क्योंकि फ्रीक्वेंट लॉस की बात हो रही है. उसने कितना मिसचिप्स था और कितने सारे लॉस उसने फैमिली को दिए थे, तो इसलिए दे कुड नॉट कीप टोटो लॉन्ग. इवन ग्रैंडफादर रियलाइज दैट, वो पेट लवर थे, उसके सारे मिसचिप्स को विश्वास को बड़े प्यार से देखते थे. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट ग्रैंडफादर रियलाइज दैट दे कुड नॉट कीप बियर टू कीप टोटो लॉन्ग. We were not well-to-do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes. That's why they decided that they could not keep Toto long. Cloths, cottons and wallpaper. So grandfather found the tonga driver. दादाजी ने टोंगा ड्राइवर जिससे उन्होंने परचेज किया था उसको 5 रुपीज में उसका पता लगाया और टोटो को सोल्ड बैक टू हिम फॉर ओनली 3 रुपीज. केवल 3 रुपीज में ही वो टोटो को टोंगा ड्राइवर को बेच